Next up is the quadruple waltz clog. Okay, your single started with a step, your double started with a flap, your triple started with a shuffle step, your quad is going to start with a shuffle step heel. So if you remember, a step and tap dance, only the toes are supposed to hit the floor. You're not going to step flat, you're going to step on your toes. So if you're stepping on your toes like you should in your triple shuffle step, that heel should already be up and you are ready to drop it to turn it into a quad. Shuffle step heel, 4 sounds, it's a quad. So the quad, and this is the reason why it's so important to stay on your toes for the triple, the quad for the waltz clog is shuffle step heel. Then your shuffle ball change. And a 1, a 2, a 3. Shuffle step heel, shuffle ball change. Shuffle step heel, shuffle ball change. And a 1, and 2, and 3. So you've got to really work on cramming in that shuffle step heel. If you think about doing a triple and just letting that heel drop down, that might actually be the easiest thing to do. So walking through the quad one more time, starting with that right foot, let's start slow and gradually go faster. You're doing shuffle step heel, shuffle ball change. 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 E and a 1, and 2, and 3. E and a 1, 2, 3. Shuffle